Hey everybody, Dean from Dancing Critter Acres. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Hope you continue to have a wonderful day. And thanks for stopping by. Haven't done a video in a while. Haven't really been doing much of anything that would have been worthy of a video. But it's mid-June up here. And I'm setting up some apple trees that I started from seeds from an apple that I got at work and ate. And liked the flavor of the apple, so I saved the seeds and planted them in little Dairy Queen cups, and thought I'd try the self-wicking containers that Daniel Arms from Arms Family Homestead and Keeping It Dutch are using, and there's, I don't know how many other people that are doing it too. Gardening with Leon, that man, I guess, originated the self-wicking containers. So stop by and check out their channels. If I ever figure out how to put a link to channels, I will do that. But all I've done is I've got 5-gallon buckets, soda bottles, 20-ounce soda bottles. This is construction lag screw container. I drilled some holes in, PVC pipe, cut it, slight angles, 15-degree bevel. Got that one. I got 4 little apple trees. 2, I don't think they're going to make it. I think they've died in the cup. And then 2 that were doing pretty good. So I've got them planted, and just planted them a little bit ago. Hopefully they'll survive and thrive. And I have apples and few years. My mix is just some potting soil mix, Master Garden, and my mother-in-law picked it up from my wife, and then I mixed in composting goat manure and hay, waste hay, into the mix, and that's where I'm at. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. I'd greatly appreciate it. Many thanks to my current subscribers. And if you like this, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see a little bit more like this is new for me. I've always done regular in-the-ground row gardens. We tried container gardens with some containers that I was given. In fact, I modified these with Flex Seal and some duct tape. And you can see the Flex Seal right there. Hopefully we'll see if it sealed up these containers, or if I just wasted a bunch of time and some money sealing them up. But I've only got 4 of these set up because I've got 4 apple trees, and ain't much to see. I'll just pitchfork the mix in to there, pack it down in there, make a little hole, cut my container, my little Dairy Queen cup containers open, pull my apple tree seedlings out and throw them in there. So leave a comment if you'd like to see more of this, and give me a thumbs up if you like. And look forward to catching you in the next video, and hopefully do an update in a couple months on how these are doing. Main thing is up here in north central Wisconsin, not knowing the species of this apple that I've got seedlings growing from. I want to be able to bring them in the house once the weather starts getting cold and the frost start hitting, because certain species don't do good. And these 5-gallon buckets should work pretty good. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.